Okay, for my UID team, napa-video ako is just because ayokong isisi sa akin. Yung UID 3 is meron po tayong additional, no, na hinihingi ng university. Ano po yung additionals? Just in case, ito ay recorded video at dumating ang araw na baka sabihin ay hindi ko sinabi sa inyo is this. Ang institution was asking for you to have the portfolio. Remember nyo yung pong first episode of our initial meeting through virtual was you need to accomplish your YouTube account. So, may mga maduduming isip to. I go directly kasi taklesa talaga ako na for monetary and blah blah blah. That was the easy way for your compilation of portfolio. Ito na, dumating na ang aking pangitain na yan. So yung university kahapon was sa meeting namin, our present president was asked for portfolio. Ano po yung portfolio? Yun yung nilalagay nyo sa clear book nyo. Lahat ng mga accomplishment nyo during your Manila Studies 1 hanggang 7 pala yan. No? Since sabi ko sa inyo, no, I work this, no, those materials na hinahain ko sa inyo, hindi po biro yan. No? Balik po ako doon to those